looks really good.
It really, you know, you see it like that and you realize just how bad it's gotten.
Right.
You know, you're like, oh, wow, it really did kind of sink down. Get used to seeing it. And you're like, yeah, that's the normal brick color.
Right.
Not green and moldy and
Right.
Alright, so we're wetting the deck down. About to apply our chemical. Just gonna strip it down, got the pavers done. It's only been an hour, so making good time. Everything's all set, nice and stripped. We'll come back in a couple days to go ahead and get started on the Playscape. Got the brick pavers cleaned up as well. Got some of the leveling done. Also on a list of things to do. Overall, pretty productive first day. Got pretty much everything we wanted to get done. Hopefully we can convince them to get these stones clean. They will look a lot better. Do a little test there right here. You'll see that when we return. When it's dry, it'll be nice and white. I think that I want to get the rest of them done for sure. About to go ahead and just get packed up, get back at it on Monday. Day 2, job site. Getting this baby cleaned up. Working on rebuilding this right now. Not too complicated here, just recreating this instead of using cheap 2x4s. Got some pressure treated 2x6. Tighten these up. Made that cut there. Tighten it up just a little bit more, but I think we'll be able to tie it together. With our deck from yesterday, I was actually kind of surprised to see as much stain on it as it is. See right here. Look, they're all clean, minus this one spot. It's kind of weird, but that's how it goes. It's got a few board replacements there. A white spot. About 2 more days of prep. We'll go ahead and stain and seal everything. just started the staining process. Knocking out the back first. You guys can kind of see what we're working with here, man. I love the stain because it seriously puts it on another level. It does its job as far as functionality, but it also makes everything look good. Kind of see what we got there. We're gonna do that all the way across. Got the brick pavers ready, all leveled up. Just gotta make one more wood replacement right here. Little face board. I missed it. But after that, we're good. Just gonna keep on at it. We'll knock as much of this out as possible. Hopefully we can get to the Playscape today as well. Just keep rocking it. Let me see. Pavers are level. Everything's going where it should over there. Looks good. Just taking it one step at a time. And yeah, just keep at it, man.
Yeah, it looks really good. You see it like that and you realize just how bad it gotten.
Right.
You know, you're like, oh, wow, it really did kind of sink down. Get used to seeing it. And you're like, yeah, that's a normal brick color.
Right.
Not green and moldy and whatever.
Right.
Right. You can see we got just about everything done except last piece here. I'm gonna get this started on spraying that in a second. The brick paver's looking good. A little bit of oil on it, so we'll give them a quick rinse before we apply the degreaser. Putting that final application on the deck as we speak. We rolled the furniture on that side. That was kind of dumb, so we got some marks in there, but it is what it is. We'll just have to coat it over and we'll fix it up. Now, about to go ahead and do this, baby. We'll set you guys up and we will get started. And we're all set. Look at that beauty. Oh. Looks really good. Homeowner is extremely happy. There we go. Deck's starting to dry up. Yeah, man, that's it. That's how we do them. Call it that. On to the next one.